Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Dive, where we break down the newest tech and whether it's really worth your money. Today we're talking about one of the most hyped devices of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's thinner, faster, and more durable than ever, but the real question is, has it finally caught up to or even beaten the iPhone? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The Flip 6 still gives us that nostalgic flip phone vibe, but with a premium, futuristic twist. This year, Samsung refined the hinge even more. It feels stronger, smoother, and more compact when closed. The outer display, now larger and more functional, lets you access notifications, maps, messages, and even apps without flipping the phone open. Compared to the iPhone 15 or even the upcoming iPhone 16 leaks, it just feels more fun and interactive. It's a phone that gets attention, and honestly, in a sea of slabs, the Flip 6 stands out. Now let's talk display. Inside, you get a bright, 120Hz AMOLED screen that's smooth and vibrant, no real creases visible while using it. And outdoors, it holds up really well under sunlight thanks to its higher peak brightness. Compare that to the iPhone's Super Retina display. Both look great, but the Flip wins on versatility and novelty. Being able to fold your phone into your pocket, that's still wild and practical. Performance-wise, the Flip 6 is rocking the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. It's fast, efficient, and stays cool even during heavy use. Whether you're gaming, multitasking with split-screen apps, or editing photos, it doesn't slow down. Combine that with 12 GB of RAM and Samsung's new AI features baked into one UI, like voice summarization, photo enhancements, and smart reply, and this thing feels powerful and modern. The iPhone still wins in raw optimization with iOS, but Samsung is narrowing the gap, and for many people, Android 14 with One UI 7 is more customizable and fun to use. Now here's where it gets interesting: cameras. Samsung added a better main sensor and improved low-light performance. The Flex Cam mode, where you prop the phone halfway open, is still one of the most unique and useful camera tricks in mobile. It's great for hands-free selfies, TikToks, and vlogs. While the iPhone still holds the crown for color accuracy and cinematic mode, the Flip gives you creative freedom and versatility that Apple doesn't. Battery life. The Flip 6 now packs a bigger battery and improved efficiency thanks to the new chip and software tweaks. It's still not iPhone Max level, but it easily gets through a full day for most users. And yes, you've got fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging if you need to top off your earbuds or a friend's phone. But here's what might win people over: vibe and identity. The Flip 6 feels like a lifestyle phone. It's stylish, pocketable, and actually fun to use. And in a market where phones often feel boring or the same, that's a big deal. If you're someone who wants your phone to feel different, more personal, more flexible, the Flip 6 might actually be a better fit than the iPhone. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 finally better than the iPhone? For some people, yes. If you value style, compact design, multitasking, and you're ready to step into the foldable future, the Flip 6 delivers in 2025. For others, the iPhone still wins with tighter ecosystem integration and a rock-solid experience. But this year, Samsung came to compete, and they're not holding back. What do you think? Would you ditch the iPhone for the Flip? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Digital Dive, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's next in tech.